Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Southern Coastal Highway. We are in Harborview now, heading towards St. Thomas, and we are actually going over the Harborview Bridge now, and this is where the highway starts, the Southern Coastal Highway. At the end of this bridge, the highway starts and goes all the way to Port Antonio. So this highway goes through St. Andrews, St. Thomas, and Portland. Alright, so between Harborview and Yalos, the highway is going to be 4 lanes. It's going to have the dual carriageway in the middle, or the Jersey barrier. So we're going to get an update on this section of the highway to see how far they've reached. Now the entire highway is to open in 2025. That's the 132 kilometers of road between Harborview and Portland. And as we said, they're building it out in phases. So as soon as one section of the road becomes, or one section of the highway is finished, they open it up for motorists to use while they build the other sections. And never before has this side of Jamaica seen roads of this quality. Never before. This highway is not only bringing it's not only you can get to St. Thomas quicker and easier, but it's also bringing so much economic benefits. So much construction is going on in St. Thomas. So many projects have started in Portland, all because of this highway. So can you imagine you're getting to get from Kingston to St. Thomas in 10 minutes? 10 minutes. Out by the Suncoast Adventure Park, they're building apartments, a housing development. And they say literally, I think it's 10 or 18 minutes from Kingston on highway quality road. You have the Morant Bay Urban Center being built. And since the highway started, so many persons wanted to rent space in that building that they had to extend it. In Portland, they have so many projects going on. So the building of these highways is very important to a country growing. And so much progress is going on in Jamaica. It's unbelievable. Okay, so there you can see they're widening the road on the right, because that's where the additional lanes are going to go. So originally the road we're on is the original road, 2 lanes, and then they're going to build another 2 lanes to the right, so that's how they come by the 4 lanes. So between the Harborview Bridge and 11 miles in Bull Bay, the existing roadway will be expanded to 4 lanes. Then from 11 miles from 11 miles to the Suncoast Adventure Park, the highway is going to go over the hill. So it's a new alignment. And then it goes back and follows the main road that you're going to extend from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. And then just on the outskirts of Grandspan, the highway takes a new alignment and continues to Albion, and then from Albion to Yalos, it's the existing road that's upgraded to 4 lanes. Now the good thing about this highway is you don't have to pay toll to use it, which is very good, very important. So this road is being paid for and financed by the Jamaican government. It's not a toll road. Highway 2000 that goes from Kingston to Montego Bay and from Kingston to Ocho Rios, and also the section from Kingston to Portmore, that's a toll road. But this highway, the Southern Coastal Highway, is not a toll road, and the Northern Coastal Highway is not a toll road. So of course, you don't have to ask who the contractor is. There is just one contractor in Jamaica that can do a project like this, and that's China Harbor Engineering Company. Now, they have subcontracted out certain parts of the project to local subcontractors. They have 10 of them. But the main contractor is China Harbor Engineering Company. And all the highways we just mentioned, if there's any work to be done on them now, it's China Harbor Engineering Company that's going to do it. We actually have a video up on the channel that tells you how China Harbor Engineering Company started operating in Jamaica and how they became the #1 contractor in Jamaica. So you can check it out. And remember, guys, we have 2 channels. We have Jamaica in 5 and Driving in Jamaica. So you can check out both of them. Okay, so this section now, they are building the 2 additional lanes on the left. So remember, guys, all these major projects, we give you updates every 2 weeks, and all the others we give you updates at least once a month. So you can keep checking back the channel for more updates on this road project, the building of the Southern Coastal Highway.